Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Phantom.Strategies. So in this video I want to cover Tron. It's about 8 a.m. Eastern here in US, March 29th, and Tron is trading close to 5 cents right now, the market overnight, it had some retracement. Bitcoin is trading around 7,500. I will cover Bitcoin in a bit and kind of give you an overview on that, but before we get it started, please make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you're new to the channel, hit those subscription and those bell icon so you get this content right away as soon as I post them on YouTube. And if you think these videos are helping you with your trading, with your investing in crypto market, then please give me thumbs up. That's really give me motivation in doing this video content review for you every day. Alright, so that's being said, let's get into Tron. Alright, so Tron, I have created a video. If you go back to the video library, you will see that few weeks, I think it was last week, yeah, I created a video on Tron saying that, you know, it's looking strong, and gave you some of the, you know, target points, you know, and the support levels as well. So let's do a quick walkthrough in Tron in last month or so. All right, so I'm looking at Tron to USD pair, and this is the calculation done by TradingView, and the data is coming from Binance. I'm looking at the daily candlestick, daily chart. All right, so we were in this. I'm gonna zoom this in a little bit so you can see it clearly. All right, so we were in this falling wedge type of action in Tron. It broke out about a week, a little bit over a week ago. Since then, it's been, like, you know, nicely on a bull run. To help this bull run, we had a lot of good news that were coming out or came out in last few days in Tron regarding their coin burn, new implementation for their platform on the new wallet service they were trying to offer. So there are a lot of positive news that were coming out end of the March for Tron, and this it really ties back into this the picture that we're seeing in the price action in Tron right now. So all that news came out end of this month. Is still, I think there are a couple more news that are coming out. We can check them out real quick. If we can come to okay, let's come to Coin Checkup. So if we come to Coin Checkup, and in the search, if you put in TRX, okay, and you click on the events tab, so the coin burn that is coming March 30, they have their first beta launch on March 31st. Then there is a testnet launch on March 30 tomorrow. Live interview with Justin Tron, who is the founder. 31st, listing on LessFX. That's the exchange, a new exchange. So there is a lot of good things that are coming out in Tron. I mean, there are next couple of days are quite busy for Tron, and we're seeing that momentum in Tron right now. All right, so the key for Tron is to stay over this major trend line. All right, so if I go back, I'm going to have this trend line, highlight that in red, so we can easily distinguish which line we are talking about. So this trend line is coming all the way back from December time frame, November-December time frame, and it found support earlier in the February. It was acting as a resistance. We finally broke out. Now we try to touch that trend again as a support. So this trend line, it will be a very key trend to watch in Tron going forward. All right, so anything, if the price action stays over this trend line, I will remain bullish in Tron. If the price action falls below this trend line, then I will put my stop losses in that position. All right, or you can just put your stop losses in the position right now. That will be something that you can do, or take some profit when it hits those those target points. So coming back to my original, like, you know, the falling wedge that happened, it broke out, nice follow through. Now it is consolidating and now trying to make it push higher. The overall market weakness is kind of holding back Tron in order, like, to go toward those target points. So if, let's say, if the overall market gets a little bit momentum or a little bit like a bounce right now in the morning session, then we might see Tron hit that 6 cents level fairly soon, perhaps in the next 24 to 48 hours. That being said, please make sure that you are using your stop losses in Tron. This coin do fluctuate a lot. It can go up 20-30% in a day. It can go 20-30% down in a day. So you need to have that kind of like stomach to, like, if you're not using stop losses, then you need to have that kind of stomach to like hold on to a position that might go 20-30% down. So be very careful when you are getting into this kind of coins, because they do tend to move a lot, and you want to be on the right side of the move. All right, so let's look at the smaller time frame. Let's look at the 4 hours. So all right, 4 hours is consolidating right now. It will break. I have a feeling that this will break toward the upside in next 24 to 48 hours if the overall market remains bullish and positive. Right now, obviously, we sold off high pretty strongly. There are some coins that are coming to an oversold level, like Litecoin is oversold right now. Bitcoin is trading at 7,500. Ethereum is oversold. So out of Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum, is oversold right now. I will cover Bitcoin in a next video, so give you a little bit more detailed view on it. All right. So just to recap, Tron looking much stronger compared to overall market weakness. It has a room to run towards 6 cents. It did test that that 0.055 price point few times. So most likely, if it goes to that price point again, it will break it, because the longer it had happened like once, twice, three, almost 4 times. So if it happens again, there's a likelihood that it will break that resistance. All right, so keep that in mind. I'm going to draw a resistance line, horizontal line up here. Okay, all right, so as I said, it happened once, twice, third time, fourth, almost 4 times. So if it happens again, there's a higher likelihood that it will break that resistance. All right, and perhaps move toward that 6 cents mark. On the longer time frame, on the daily time frame, it's looking rather nicely as well. So I'm bullish on Tron right now, but I will be watching this this red trend that I just talked about. We need to stay over that trend line in order to have that bullish scenario to fully pan out. All right, so that's Tron, guys. There is a nice inverse head and shoulder kind of pattern falling as well. So we'll see. In short term, we need to stay over this red trend line. That's the key. All right. Positive on the news event side, we have in the March. Let's see what else is coming up in May. Mainnet launch. So there's another event that is coming up in the May. So we'll see how that pans out. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys, on the Tron. I wanted to give you this quick update on Tron, so hopefully this is helpful and you're making some profit in this coin. All right, talk to you soon.